Installing the Mini Maxx V2 is a straightforward process that can be completed in 30 minutes. The unit comes with detailed instructions, and there are no specialty tools required. Before you install the device, please make sure of the following. You will need a battery charger capable of supplying at least 10 amps of steady power. Without this, you risk damaging your PCM. Ensure you do not have any emissions-related error messages on the dash. These messages can only be cleared when the truck is 100% stock. And remember, always install the tuner before installing any hard parts. Connect your battery charger and then connect the tuner. Turn the key to the run position, but ensure the engine remains off. Once the Mini Maxx is powered on, just follow the on-screen instructions until the installation is complete. Ensure you insert the SD card provided in your kit before pressing the up button to continue. The first step is to tell the Mini Maxx Tuner which truck it is being installed in. Select the make of your truck by choosing the appropriate option. Next, select your model and year. Be careful to check all options and choose the right one. Once you have your exact make and model chosen, confirm it by selecting Yes. Then you will have to wait for a while as the Mini Maxx loads the right file from the SD card for the selected truck. This step might take a little longer than shown here. Once loaded, the Mini Maxx will reboot. Don't be alarmed by the sounds made by the truck or the tuner. After 5 seconds, the Mini Maxx will restart. Once restarted, you should see the device initialize communication and show you the home screen. However, it will not show you a power setting until your tune file is installed. To do this, go to Menu. In the menu, choose the Install Download option. Once again, verify the make and model of your truck. If it is correct, choose Yes. You will now have to go through a series of disclaimers. Read the entire disclaimer by pressing the More button. You will have to press it twice more to reach the end. Here you will get an option to agree. Choose Agree. Repeat the same steps for the end-user license agreement as well. Scroll all the way down till you get an option to agree. Once again, choose Agree. The next step is to confirm that your battery is in great condition and, ideally, is connected to a charger with a 10 amp supply. This ensures the safety of your PCM by not letting your battery discharge midway. Scroll down and press Continue once you are satisfied with the battery condition. Now turn your key to the off position before pressing Continue on the device. Then turn the key to the run position once again and press Continue once again. Now you should see an option for preloading your tune file. Press it. First, the Mini Maxx will display your truck's VIN number and its own part number. After a moment, the preloaded tune file will be ready to load. Press any button to continue. The last question it will ask you is if your truck is a cab and chassis trim. Select the appropriate option based on your own truck. Now the Mini Maxx will first load your tune file into the truck's memory. Be patient, as this might take longer than shown here. Once the file is fully loaded, the truck's memory will be initialized. This may take a few seconds before it downloads and installs the tune file. This is the most important step and will take some time to complete. Be patient, as it will take longer than shown here. Once it fully downloads, the Mini Maxx will take a 5-second systemic check to initialize. Once it is initialized, turn your key to the off position before pressing Continue on the Mini Maxx. Now the Mini Maxx will inform you that the download is complete, and you can press Continue to exit the setup. You can now turn the ignition on and restart the Mini Maxx Tuner. It should initialize communication and then show you the various gauges and the power mode. Your Mini Maxx is now installed. You should let the engine run for 15 to 20 seconds just to verify there are no error messages or check engine lights. After confirming there are no issues, you will need to physically remove the DEF, DPF, and/or the SCR section of the exhaust. Leave any sensors in these pipes and disconnect the connectors. The EGR system must at least be disconnected. If not fully removed, the Mini Maxx Tuner installation is complete.